1940, October 30, 2025, right now marks 1,598 hours of progress on the Global Horror Simulation Journey. A method has been found for spawning a smaller cube within the corner of a larger cube, and this method appears to work at increasingly smaller sizes of the cube, and not only does it work for that size, which is half of the original cube, but it can work independent of how much smaller than the original cube the next cube is. So as a test of that, spawning a cube that is the quarter size of the original, that works, and that is much smaller than the original cube, and the previous cube was at half size. This one is quarter size, and that is placed along the corner, and it's quarter the size of the original face, or one face, so 4 of those would fill in that row there. And so in addition to that, it also works with 0.2, so a fifth of the size will appear to work as well, and in subdividing there will work correctly. And so the intention going forward, now that it's been figured out how to spawn a smaller cube in the corner, there does appear to be a certain issue that needs to be worked out, and that is, this works assuming the original cube has a size of 1. So yeah, it's a very small cube there, and so that example is working. But what can break this is if the original cube has a scale other than 1, because currently the scale of the original cube is not being factored into the equation that handles that of the smaller cubes correctly. And so that occurs, which is the incorrect behavior. And looking at what happens, that's half scale of the original cube, and then perhaps multiplying that will cause a different result. So if this original cube is scale of 2, then it's inverse. So the intention going forward is to fix that issue, and ultimately add in some functionality to fill in the volume of the original cube with the smaller cube entirely and replace the original cube.